Hi there, it's Jimmy and Louisa here again from Jersey Plants Direct. Spring's in the air, first frosts have all gone, and we're going to show you how to plant up a raised border with some 24s, and we're going to do a little marigold collection here. Shove loads of compost in there. Again, we've used a peat with a little bit of wood fibre on to keep the peat level down. And now we've got to spread it all out, firm it all down, and make a nice little layered bed ready to put the plants in. Okay, so what we're going to now is spread the compost out. Hope we haven't put too much in. We're just going to layer it out with your hands. You can wear gloves if you like, but I always like to get my hands dirty. Just spread it out. It's important to push into the corners as well, because sometimes they get a little bit left. Okay, so what we're going to do is firm it down one more time. So we're going to do the old trampling technique. So for safety, I'm going to hold Louisa's hand, and she's just going to get up there and just jump up and down and really firm it into the corners. Get it in there. That's the way. Okay.
Work my way through each tier.
And then the last little bit. Yeah. Okay. Oh, then we're going to level it over one more time, yeah? So that's okay. Oh, brilliant. Okay, so what we're going to do is just level it off. Just got a couple of old bits of timber, doesn't matter what you use. We're just going to spread it around a little bit and then do that final bit into the corners. Just to make sure the compost is spread nice and evenly across the whole raised border. And this makes it nice and easy to plant then. Take the edges off there a little bit. It's good. Okay.
Yep, looking good.
Right, there we go. Okay, so what we're going to do now is plant up this marigolds. We're going to put a different colour of marigold in each section, so I think that'll look nice. So we've got some vanilla here, we've got some tip top here, and we've got some melody here. So little trick when you're pulling the plants out is just squeeze the bottom, take it out, and we're going to do the same again. We're just going to lay them out first and see how it looks. Okay, so the plants are nicely spaced out now, so now we're going to plant them. So again, you can use a little dibbler if you want, or just use your fingers, put some gloves on if you prefer. So make a little hole with a couple of fingers, pop it in, make sure all the compost and the roots are below the soil, and just firm it in with your fingers. You don't have to press too hard, just gently firm it. Put a little one in the middle here just to see what it's going to look like. You don't want to plant too close to the edges either, always leave a little gap away from the edge. Like Louisa's got there, just away from the edge, don't go too close. Louisa's quicker than me this time.
Last one.
There we go. Just have a little look, all the spacing looks fine. These all plants are all going to grow out into each other, so it'll be a nice full bed when you're finished.
Can't wait for them to flower.
Okay, so now we're just going to water them in, nice and gently. Better be doing this in either early morning in the evening. Don't try not to water in the middle of the day, because the sunshine will scorch the plants. As you watch me watering over the top of the plants, so be careful you don't water in the hot sunshine. Just up and down, getting them corners again. Might go over one more time. And in a couple of weeks' time, you can always give them a quick feed. And in about 3 or 4 weeks' time, these plants will start growing into each other. 5 or 6 weeks' time, you'll have some flowers. A little bit of bud on these already. 6 or 7 weeks, you'll have a cracking display of plants ready for the summer. Okay, another handy little tip, just to keep the weeds down, you can put some bark over the top. Bark's a natural weed suppressant, so it will keep the weeds down a little bit. It won't cure it completely, but just spread it gently, just not over the top of the plants, just around the plants. Just put handfuls on there. It looks nice as well, a bit of bark, and it has a nice feel to it before the plants start to grow over. Once the plants fill in, you won't see much of the bark, but it just might keep a little bit more weed down. It looks nice as well.